We're getting ready for the Super Bowl. Janine Washle is here from Cloverfield's Farm and Kitchen to make a Pig-licious party dip. Pig-licious because we have two different types of pork in it, right?
That's right. And we also have some bacon bits for the topping.
Sounds good.
So as you all were saying, you know, this is a big eating holiday.
Yes.
And whether your team is winning or losing, you're going to want the fat, whether, you know, you're crying in your beer, so to speak, or we're going to need the meat, we're going to bring the fat, we're just going to bring the carbs to this party.
Comfort food is what we expect.
And this dip is the star. So what we've got here are 2 packs of cream cheese, a cup of sour cream, and you've already got that stirred together.
Mix that together.
And so now we're going to do our add-ins. And this is pork chorizo.
Which already has a seasoning to it. I mean, that's
it does.
the great
a lot
thing
of
about
paprika.
chorizo.
Yes, it's.
Hang on. We're going to go with this one.
Use that one.
This is more aggressive.
Yeah,
all right, there we go. It's cold, and Janine had to drive up here with this stuff in her car, so that's part of our issue. All right.
Yes, and that's a half a pound of thick cut Black Forest bacon, and that just has a lot of delicious bacony flavor. And you can up that to a pound. You can even, if you don't like chorizo, you can easily use just
pork sausage if that's what you like. Yeah, I love chorizo.
I do too. And then we've got 2 jalapenos that are minced. There's some onion, a little bit of garlic salt just to get that good garlic flavor in there. And then I like those Mexi shreds because it's 4 different types of shredded cheese. And so we're going to add that in there. And you can smell all of those delicious flavors.
Smells good.
Now I've got panko and cheese, more cheese here. I've got a little bit of cilantro, and
You're
I've got
making
some bacon bits.
Topping while I'm making
the
dip.
topping.
Okay.
That's right. And so once you get that stirred up, we're going to put it into a greased 8x8 baking dish. And then we're going to bake it for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Pull it out. Put the topping on.
Then put the topping on, okay.
Bake it for another 10 minutes, and this is what you end up with.
That looks yummy, and the panko, I'm sure, gives it nice texture.
Good crunch to it. And
try not to make a mess here, but I want to give it a try.
Don't be nervous about the jalapeno, because you have all of that cheese in there. It smooths it out, and then you have a delicious. You can see the color. The color is just awesome. You have a delicious dip. You can serve it with chips, pretzels, and if you have to have veggies, you could use veggie sticks. Exactly. Exactly. We'll keep it healthy.
Few other ideas over here?
Yes. You know, we use Cheerios for breakfast, but what about adding some savory seasonings and making some uh-ohs or savory
little snacks. Everybody gets a bowl.
Instead
those look good.
Of tortilla chips, we use our tater tots for tachos.
I like those.
And then we've got sliders, and inside of these sliders, we've got a core of beer cheese.
Very nice.
Those, oh yeah. And
can't go wrong with chocolate chip cookies.
You got it, in our delicious chocolate chip cookies.
We'll have a link on our website to Janine's information. You email her, and she'll send you all these recipes. Janine, thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.
Sterling?